Mitravan Bandhvam, welcome to South Asia Maps Education channel. This is your presenter Dr. J. Reddy. We are continuing our Tamil Nadu series part 17 and we have identified 11 geographical or physiographic regions. We are talking about these physiographic regions today. Part 10 physiographic region called Ela Malai. You can see the 11 regions here. Excuse me. The yellow part here is the 10th part, that is the Ela Malai geographic region, physiographic region of Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Both parts joined together, the overlapping. There are political maps, political regions, administrative regions, that is the districts and taluk. There are around about 800 districts or so in South Asia, south of that is after the partition independence Radcliffe line, the east, and those are the political maps. Then we have historical maps, historical regions and Janapada, so on. Here I have given the historical map of Tamil Nadu, historical zones, Arakadu regions, Chennapatna, Madras region, Baramahal region, Delta region, Kaveri Delta, then the Kongu region, the south of southern region, the Vaigai region, Poligar region, Palankar region. Then we have historical, the geographic, physiographic regions. The current topic of interest is the mountains, plateaus, the passes, and those type of things that gives you more about the landmarks. Excuse me. And if you are new to our presentations, Mitravan Bandhu, this is our intellectual education channel, South Asia Maps J. Reddy, without any spaces. I have posted more than 350 so far for you to enjoy and listen, and you can look at them at that YouTube channel. And this is our Tamil Nadu series, the great land of Alvars, Chola emperors, Rajers, Serfoji Bhonsle of Maratha, kingdom of Tanjavur, and great poet Subramanya Bharati. And these are the 18 parts, so will be uploaded soon, and the number 2 is repeated here, duplicates. So right now we are looking at the Ela Malai, that is the Cardamom Hills, the 10th Tamil Nadu geographic, physiographic region, current topic of interest. Excuse me. And when the British colonized the land, and this region, the Malabar district was formed, and this is the Travancore district, princely state, and Kochi princely state. Lot of plantations in large scale started. Those plantations in the especially Periyar region, they planted the cardamoms and those estates, so called Cardamom Hills. The cardamom means the term for the ilaichí. So Ela Malai is also word used. Ela Malai Hills or Cardamom Hills is anglicized version. So it has two parts. Ela Malai, Cardamom Hills has a Periyar Plateau region and Varushanad region. So the Periyar Plateau region, you see, Varushanad region together is called Ela Malai. That is same as the Cardamom Hills. The northern part is Anayamalai, Palanai, Palani Hills, Neliyampati. All these are co-joined, or we can say conjoined, so hard to separate, so that you have to keep in mind. What are the districts involved in these? I will talk about the Travancore state, erstwhile princely state of Travancore. For practical purpose, when you say Periyar, you can say Idukki district. If you understand that, that will be more than enough. When you say Varushanadu, then the little bit some other things come in. But sometimes people use synonymously Ela Malai, Cardamom Hills, Periyar, all one and the same, but I have told you the difference to keep in mind. Travancore, Cochin state, Idukki district, practically Periyar Plateau, here Udambanchola, Pyramid, Todupula districts in that. And Patanamthitta district, in the Ranni Taluka Pathanamthitta district. And the western polygar lands, this is the polygar lands, Madurai Tirunelveli. They overlap, but they are not exactly in the district, but the Periyar Varushanad shadow that I am showing for that purpose. Sirivilliputhur, Shivagiri, Rajupalam. You will see the actual map. If you are not native to Tamil Nadu, you may not know that much Kerala, but you will see the map later. Just here I have given so that all the information is present for you. Then the rivers are the Periyar River. The Periyar River is a tributary Chalakudi River. So the Periyar P Chalakudi, this is the Vaigai River, this is the Kolarun Kolladam River, this is the sacred river of Kaveri. So as a landmarks. Conjoining of the Ela Malai Hills, that the northwest, and Palani Hills is the northeast, this is the top part, this is the Ela Malai, northwest, northeast. Then the Pothagai is the south, that is the Agastya Malai. There is a Cardamom research station or Pampadur close to Devikulam and Munnar region. There are two regions as we told, Periyar Plateau this and Varushanadu region is that is Vaigai, Suruli rivers. They come from the Varushanadu, other side Periyar. These are the rivers that are coming in this region. And we can look at this. So that's why again when we look at it, you won't get much information, because when we see only a political maps of Tamil Nadu, you won't get much. You miss the entire Idukki district, means you missed most of the Periyar Plateau. You get some parts of Varushanadu here. This is the Madhu. This is the Vaigai and the Polygar land and Madurai region. So that is not that much informative. We'll see the other maps. So this is the historic Madras Presidency and Chengalpattu Madras, Tuarka district, Salem, Delta district, Tanjavur, Tiruchirappalli, Coimbatore, southern district of Madurai, Tirunelveli, this part, Travancore kingdom and Cochin kingdom. Travancore is Venadu kingdom, or Tiruvittamkur is the local name. Other landmarks, Karaikal in the Karaikal district in Tanjavur area, Puducherry district in the South Arcot area. And you can see here the where are we? We are in this. Let me zoom out first. This is the Palani Ela Malai. So south is the southern part. This is the Periyar Plateau, and this is the Varushanad. Northern part of Varushanad is the Andipatti Hills. The Varushanad is this, Periyar is this. Together, Periyar, Varushanad is the Cardamom, Ilaichi, Ela Malai. So that's why I put you the eastern part of this Varushanad. You can see the Rajupalayam, Sirivilliputhur and Shenkottai-Tenkasi. That part I have given, but they are not actually part, but they are in the other side, so that you can have a landmarks. And the famous Shenkottai-Tenkasi gap separates the Periyar Plateau from the Agastya Malai. This is the Shenkottai gap, or also called, you can see, Ariyankavu Pass. The railway line goes from there. Just north of that, there is one more pass, but that is not that much used. That is called Achankovil Pass or Mekarai Pass. That goes along the Achankovil river. That is not that much used, but there is a small, I think now they built the road. Okay, that is you can see the roads there, but that's not that much used. The famous pass is Ariyankavu, or you can remember Shenkottai Pass. Sometimes it's called Shenkottai-Tenkasi Pass, also called Punalur Pass. There is a Punalur town. This is the TamilNadu dam here, so TamilNadu Pass. All the names are used for this pass. So you can see here, this is Tirunelveli, this is the Thiruvananthapuram, this is the Kollam. The railway junction of Shenkottai-Tenkasi here that goes along this pass. This is the Achankovil river here. This is the Kallada river just north. This is the pass here. This is the region we are talking about, Ela Malai, that is the Cardamom Hills, this region. Because the Periyar river winds through it, this is called Periyar Plateau. Periyar means a local term, the Tamil and Telugu bar means the great or bigger. Periyar is a bigger, Periyar means bigger, Periyar. So this is the Periyar lake. This is the Tekadi Pass, this tourist area, Kumili Tekadi. This is the Kaki Reservoir, close to Sabarimalai. So this is the Kaki Reservoir, this is the Periyar Reservoir as a landmark, this is the Idukki Reservoir. All of them on the Periyar river winds through that, and after Kottamangalam it joins, Thodupula, it joins the plains and goes to Alva here. Then Irnakulam, Cochin north, it joins the Vembanad lake that we look in other parts. So that is the Periyar. This is the Varushanad, right? This is the Varushanad, eastern parts are joining. This is the Tirunelveli, and this is the Madurai. This is the Rajapalayam, Serviliputtur and all those regions. This is the Suruli river comes here, Vaigai rivers comes from that part. As that part, I have shown you that part. So coming to the districts here, you can see this is the Varushanad. See, this the Madurai will be somewhere here, Madurai, yeah. Andipatti will mean this the Varushanad will be somewhere here. The east part you can see Siriviliputtur, Rajapalam, Shivagiri. And Shenkottai-Tenkasi actually will deal with when we talk about Agasthamala, eastern part. And when you see this and you see the Kerala part and you will miss it, the entire Idukki district is nothing but entire Idukki district is the Periyar Plateau, Devikulam Taluk, Udumamchola Taluk Pyramid. Some parts of Thodupula come in, but Thodupula is actually in the midland regions. In the Pathanamthitta district, you can see parts of Ranni Taluk, parts of Kojincheri Taluk, they come in the Pathanamthitta districts, and that is about the Periyar Plateau here. And this is the ElaMalai and all those regions. Devikulam, these things, they come in the ElaMalai Palani region. So only Pyramid Taluk comes here. Pyramid, Ranni and Pathanamthitta, that is Kojincheri in this part. So I have a poor quality. I didn't see I tried to search the entire districts, but I don't see it. Only districts I see, not the taluks, but it helps you. This entire Idukki district here is the Periyar region. So you can see Pathanamthitta region, and this is the Tenkasi now, this is Tirunelveli. The district's name changed, Virudhunagar, Rajpalayam and all those areas. This is about that. And finally you can see this, the beautiful, and you can see this is the ElaMalai, this is the Palani, Neliyampati, this is the fascinating Periyar Plateau, Varushanad Hills, Shenkottai-Tenkasi gap here, you won't see it. That clearly Vembanad lake here, and Chalakudi river here, the Periyar river joins the Vembanad lake here. That is about the fascinating ElaMalai, that is one of the geographic regions. Mitram and Bandhvam, hope this will help you to understand our fascinating Tamil Nadu province of Deccan, South India, and see you later in other presentations. I appreciate you take a few seconds and subscribe the channel and make some comments on the presentation, your feedback, and also refer to your friends if you like this information is valuable. See you later in our presentation.